Hey guys, Straight with the Saber Workshop again. So I want to give you guys just a quick rundown on Baselit versus Xenopixel. I know most of you probably understand the concept already, but this is really for those that are new to lightsabers and are just really trying to learn what the differences are between the two. So I have two sabers here. One that was custom built by myself, and then one of the standard ones that we sell. This is a Baselit, and this one is Xenopixel. So when you start them up, they're basically going to be the same thing. You're going to get the Saber Workshop sound, letting you know that it's turned on.
The Saber Workshop. The Saber Workshop.
Okay? Now, with Baselit is basically like a flashlight. There's a light down here in the base, and what that light does is it shines the color up through the blade. The blade is hollow. I have another blade right here I can show you. They're hollow. You can see right through them. And they're really basically just a hollow tube with some film in it that helps to smooth out the color and everything else. The other one uses what's called a Xenopixel blade. Looks like this, the end. And what this does is it's got pixels that run all up and down the blade. This is a shorter version of a standard one. This is a 28, I believe. It's a short one versus the longer full-size ones. I use that one when spinning in the house because the other ones hit my ceiling while I'm working. So other than that, we have a pixel, we have an RGB. So when you turn on an RGB saber, you just get the light that comes directly from the saber. Now, if you look at the video, you should be able to see that the base here is lighter than the tip. That's because all the light is emitted from here and goes all the way up through the hollow tube. It still allows you to do things like clash, and it still lights up. It'll still do lock up, all that cool stuff. It does melt, blaster bolts, all that cool fun stuff. Okay? You see, the light just kind of goes out and fades out. On a Xenopixel, because you have all these pixels that run up and down the blade, you can get cool blade effects like this. If you look, the blade moved up. When you shut it down, it slides down the blade. Now, the other thing you're going to notice about a Xenopixel
Do or do not.
is with the colors, is the color is consistent all the way through the saber. It does all the same cool effects. You have your clashes, you have your melt, lock up. Kind of can't see it because this one's, and the other thing you'll notice is these are way brighter. They're super, super bright. Now with the Xenopixel, you can also have other cool animations.
Hello there.
Not just the blade sliding up and down, but you can also get cool effects like this.
Broken ignition.
You have startup effects.
Photon ignition. Stack ignition. Do or do not.
So that gives you the basic idea of the rundown of a difference between the pixel and the RGB. Now, can pixel sabers be used for dueling? Absolutely. You can absolutely beat the hell out of these things and not have to worry. I mean, that's hard. So that's basically the difference between your RGB and your pixel. New pixel blades are plenty durable for dueling. You can do medium to heavy dueling with them. It's really not a problem. But yeah, so on average, your Pixel Saber is going to run between $50 and $100 more, depending on the configuration that you're using. So there's two different kinds. You have Xenopixel, which is what this is, and then you have Profi boards. Profi boards are more customizable. You can get literally into the code of the board and change whatever you want on them. So that's going to be your main difference. Which one you choose is totally and completely up to you. Both are awesome. For beginners, I would recommend starting with a Baselit and then moving up to a NeoPixel later on. Or if you just want to go right to the cool stuff, grab yourself a Pixel Blade. I'm Jay. Check out the website, saberworkshop.com, for all your lightsaber needs. And again, may the Force be with you.